how to transfer the make.com automation to your client. So let's just go ahead and say that you are creating some automation here for your clients and you basically want to go ahead and import or export them to one of your clients. Well, in this video, I'll go ahead and show you on how you can do this easily. But before that, let's go ahead and discuss Make AI and how does it work. Now, basically, if you're tired of manually handling repetitive tasks and wish you could automate workflows without writing a single line of code, well, today we're diving into Make.com. It is a powerful automation platform that promises to streamline your business and personal tasks with ease. Now, before we get started, all of the mentioned tools will be on the description box below, so make sure to check it out. Now, Make.com, formerly known as an Integromat, is a visual automation platform that allows users to make or connect different apps and services to create workflows, also known as scenarios. Unlike traditional coding-based automation, Make.com uses a drag and drop interface, making it beginner friendly but also powerful enough for advanced users. Whether you're automating email notification, syncing data between different tools, or managing complex business processes, Make.com provides a flexible way to make things happen without manual effort. So right now we are inside our make.com account right here, and once you have logged in into your account, you will go ahead and see your own organization, your team, your scenarios, which is going to be your automation process right here. You have your template, connection, webhooks, keys, devices, and basically more. Now, let's just go ahead and say that I want to go ahead and transfer some of the automations right here to some of my clients or to my organization. Now, I'm inside the templates for make.com, and I'll just go ahead and choose a random automation process right here. Now, let's just go ahead and say that I want to share new Facebook post on Discord. Now, I'll go ahead and click on one of the templates right here, and once inside, just click on create new scenario from template. You will be able to create the scenario right here on the template itself. And basically, once you have your own template, it's really simple to go ahead and import and export the templates or scenarios here on make.com. Now, going back to scenarios, I have a multiple scenarios right here that I can go ahead and use. Let's just go ahead and click on the template one that we have managed to grab from the template category. Now, once inside, in order to go ahead and export this or import this to your client, it's really simple. All we have to do is to go ahead and download the file format first right here. So just click on your scenario file or your scenario page, wait for your scenario to load in, and right after that you can just go ahead and click on the window right here in order for you to edit this specific scenario. Now, once you navigate down to the bottom of your screen, you can go ahead and see the run once button. You have the saved scenario, scenario inputs, scenario settings, notes, previous versions, auto align, and more. You also have some controls right here like the flow control, tools, text parser, Facebook pages, and Discord. Now, to go ahead and export this or to download this file format, all you have to do is to go ahead and click on the three dots at the bottom of your screen, which is the more button. From there, it will open up this additional pop-up menu where you can go ahead and click on the explain flow, export blueprint, and import blueprint. You simply want to click on the export blueprint right here, and it will go ahead and download that specific blueprint or scenario on our device. Right after getting your own blueprint, you can just go ahead and send this to your client from any messaging device, Discord, Messenger, WhatsApp, WeChat, and more. Now, for them to go ahead and use this or import it to their own make.com, once again, it's extremely simple. All they have to do is to navigate through the scenario category, and from here, you can just go ahead and click on the create a new scenario button. From there, it will load us this scenario dashboard where we can manually put our own scenario. But we are going to use the scenario or automation that we have downloaded on our scenario category. Now to do that, it's once again extremely simple. Go ahead and click on the more button or the three dots at the bottom of your screen. Click on the import button, and from here you simply want to click on the choose file. It will open up your own files right here, and you can just go ahead and click on it. If you cannot go ahead and see it from the pop-up menu, you can just click on the show all files. It will take you to the downloads page right here, and right after that you simply want to click on your file, click on open, and you should be good to go. Click on save, and you have successfully managed to import or get the make.com automation from other account to your own account right here. So you can just go ahead and do this for multiple scenarios. Now I have my own scenario right here that I can go ahead and use, which is the integration tools. Once again, let's go ahead and use this as an example. Go ahead and click on your own scenario or your own automation. Browse at the bottom of your screen, click on the three dots, and you simply want to click on export blueprint. It will download the file immediately, so you want to go ahead and send this to your client or to your customers here on make.com. And so guys, you can just go ahead and use some of the templates available to make everything easier. So let's just go ahead and say that you have a client and they want something specific here to go ahead and make their own. Now you can just search some of the automation templates right here. Now let's just go ahead and say that they want to go ahead and use YouTube as an example. So you can just use YouTube right here. And they want to connect YouTube into something like ChatGPT, Google Worksheet, and something like Discord. Let's just say that I want to integrate my YouTube career into my Discord community. So you can just search Discord right here. And right after that, you simply want to click on the public templates. Click on create new scenario from template. And from here, all you have to do is to go ahead and export this blueprint and send it to your client in order to go ahead and use some of the templates available here on make.com. So guys, that's how easy it is to go ahead and import and export blueprints, scenarios, automation, and more here on make.com. Now, if this video has been helpful and if you have some questions, you can just go ahead and leave those questions at the description box below. I'll go ahead and make sure that I'll answer some of them. And as always, if you enjoy watching this video, please leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. As always, thank you.